This is a NOB software demo on Inquire GLAcct. At the account prompt, I can type in the GL accounting code if I know it, or I can type in the words of the name to select a GL accounting code from a list. Okay, I'm going to pick line 1 where it has 5 customers with the word income and other, and this is the one I want, so select it. It's now prompting me for what location do I want to use. I can use any one of the terminal accounting location codes, or I can say, no, I want them all. Now the year type is fiscal or calendar. What that does is handle the ending balance uniquely for fiscal years or calendar years for income and expense accounts. Doesn't matter, I'll just use fiscal year. The account type is just informational. It's letting you know that this account is an expense account. You have asset, liability, income, or expense. I'll select line item 2. And notice it comes up with all the ledgers summarized for that accounting period, this GL account. There's only one ledger that's involved in this accounting period, and it's miscellaneous billing, and there's 4 items in the miscellaneous billing system. If I select miscellaneous billing, it'll give me all the items, and I can look through. Now if I want to even further, I can select this item and it'll bring it up. As you can see, this item totaling $1,300 or so is for sale of pallets to Pallet Center. Okay, got it. So one last thing I want to show you, and that is up here in options, you can choose the display type. You can change it from inquiry to correction, which means rather quickly you can actually say this should not apply to this GL account. So basically what I'm going to do is go in here and it brings me up into correction mode, which means I can make all the changes I want to this. I can change this, I can change the customer code, I can change the date, etc. Now what that does is it creates a correction version of the same invoice or item. Now the correction version leaves the previous version or the original version intact. It just gives it a correction number. For instance, this invoice will now carry with it the original invoice number and the invoice number with a correction code or number. The customer can't really tell the difference between the original or the correction number, except that the invoice will be noted as a corrected invoice. Our system keeps the two separate so that you can correct all you want. You can even correct a correction if you wish. Now, basically, it's a simple thing to do, and I just wanted to show it to you. So I'm going to close this because I don't really want to make a correction. It's going to warn me that I made changes. Are you sure you want to continue without filing or saving? Yes. So I'm back here to the inquiry account. To go backwards, all you do is you select this item or hit the escape key on the keyboard. And to go back to the period, you hit the escape key or select this item on the keyboard, and you're back here again. You can change the GL accounting code, etc. So when you're done with this account, you can go to another account if you wish. And that's basically it. We're done.